Okay, all of you, good morning. Okay, today we are going to start new lessons. Unit 10, and the name of unit is banking. Name of unit is banking. So, under this unit, the content that you have to learn, or the syllabus that is there present in your unit, is that meaning and definition of bank. Number 2, role of banking system in economy. Number 3, types of bank. Number 4, meaning and function of central bank. Number 5, meaning and function of commercial bank. Financial market and its types. Financial market and its types. So there is money market and capital market of this financial market. So these are the content that you have to learn in this unit. So the first one, today we are going to learn about this word, meaning and definition of bank. Okay, now it is said that when you talk about meaning and definition of bank means, you all know that bank. So what is bank? Bank is in financial institutions which deals with what? Money. It is the institutions which does the work of money. So it is the one which receive deposit from normal public and also provides loan to the normal public. So at present, at modern time, along with granting loan and accepting deposit, bank also does many other activities. Bank does many other activities like transferring money from one place to another place, exchanging currency, creating credit, okay, helping in international trades, performing agency functions. So it does many activities. So that's why it is said that it is very difficult to give the actual definition of bank. Although on the side of accepting deposit and granting loan, we can say that bank is a financial institution which accepts deposit and grant loan. But not only that, at present there are many other activities which the bank does. That's why it is said that at present we cannot give the actual definition of bank. So many persons they have given definition of bank in different ways. That is present on your books. I will send the photo from that, you can note on it. But at present it is said that bank does what? Many other activities along with the granting loan and accepting deposit. That's why it is very difficult to give the word actual definition of bank. And now features of bank. Okay, features of banks. It deals with money. It accepts deposit and advances loans. It also deals with credit, and it has ability to create credit. It aims at earning profit. It measures the payment system in economy. So these are the features of bank. It accepts deposit, provide loans. It deals with money. Okay, it deals with credit and also does the work of creating credit. It also does the work of earning profit. Usually banks are established to earn profit. Although they provide service, but their main objective is to provide profit. Now when we talk about, there are many banks, okay, especially central bank and commercial bank. So when we talk about central bank means the government bank. It is the what bank? Government bank. Usually central bank is established to provide service to the public, service to the citizen. But when we talk about this commercial bank, development bank, they are the bank which are usually established to earn profit. To earn what? Profit. That's why we say that banks are also established to earn profit. And it is said that bank also are the one which also manage the payment system in economy. Bank also helps in payment of traders. That's why at present international trade is very easier. Now at present with the help of bank, LC are established which are very helpful for international trade. That's why it is said that bank also does the activities of what? Payment. So today in this video I have explain you meaning and definition of bank and characteristics of bank. So I'll send the photo and you can note down from it. Thank you all of you.